Wow, sure was nice of that boss to lend me a train full of donated furniture for me to go sell. And to be honest, I wonder who my first customer will be. Ah, I think there's one up close. Good morning, sir. Could I offer you some donated furniture today?
Why, surely, my boy. And as an offer, how would you like to share my can of worms with me? They're nice and fresh.
Yeah, I gotta go. Well, that was odd, to say the least. Well, hopefully this next house will go a little smoother. Holy shoot!
What? What do you want?
Oh, dear Lord. Hello, ma'am. Could I interest you in some donated furniture?
What? What are you selling?
He's selling furniture!
Furniture?
Yeah!
Listen to me, kid. I think you're misunderstood. We were just about to move out of this place.
Well, madam, doesn't look like you've had some donated furniture in quite a while. Unless you can buy some with the help of your sister's credit card. That's my ma, you idiot! I see.
Look, kid, I don't want any of your stinking furniture.
Well, ma'am, what if I was to offer you double the amount? You gotta save all that money for a rainy day.
Well, all right. You've convinced me.
And so, because of Houston's good deed, he was offered a reward when he got to the works. But I mustn't tell you people about that. Why? Spoilers!
Wow, I look really nice and green. I think it suits my character quite well, much like Jackson with his red paint. Speaking of which, I wonder what he's doing. Spare a job for me, please? Aw. Oh, spare a job for me, ma'am?